Hey guys, I'm here today with a new kind of video that I hope you guys like, that's trying the foods from the Kawaii boxes. So I thought I would make it in like two of the stuff from the two past boxes. So this one is from the box from September, and this one is from the October box that I got not long ago. So since this is sweet, let's start with the corn. I've heard it's corn, I don't know, like a kind of like a Cheeto, but let's try it. Oh dear, I'm gonna have to use the scissors because of my thumb. Owie. Okay. Yeah, it does really look like a Cheeto kind of in here. My friend said she didn't like it, so we'll see. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of crumbly. Let's see. Okay. Let's try this. The aftertaste is kind of weird to me. It's not bad though. It's kind of like sweet corn, but it has like some other flavoring on the outside. Not bad. Really, it's not that bad. Yeah, overall, I'll probably give it a I don't know, to be honest, because it's a weird, I think it's something that like you'd have to want. It's not like, I was expecting it to be more like a Cheeto Puff, but like corn flavored, but it's like, ew, the aftertaste is weird. I need some water. Okay. So, this one may be better because apparently it's supposed to be Coca-Cola flavored. I think it must be, I think it's a gummy or some sort. But the packaging is so cute, I don't want to touch it. But I got to, because I want to eat it. Oh, they're little gummies. Ah, let's try this. That's really good. This is the best one. Coca-Cola from the September. I think it's a September one, yeah. It's really cute how they have them like cheering on Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola flavored. I was expecting it to be like one big gummy, so I'm kind of happy it's like littler ones. I definitely like this one much more than the other one. This was just, I don't think I want to eat it anymore because it kind of made me feel like ugh. Weird aftertaste. But this definitely to me is a 10 out of 10 because I don't even like Coca-Cola that much, but it's like it's not too strong. Like Coca-Cola, like drinking a lot of it can be like ew to me, but like just eating these, slight taste. Yeah, I'm gonna close these up and save it for later because these are good. I need to find these again. This, don't recommend. My friend was right. It has a weird taste. But I know it's popular. I think these are both Japanese snacks. I'm not 100% sure, so don't like, I don't know, don't expect that, but I'll link information about the two things down below if you're interested. I'm sure you can find them somewhere. I just got them from the Kawaii boxes, so I'm not sure where exactly you can get them, but nowadays you can like find most things on the internet, so sure you can find it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like. Comment down below which one do you think you like better, or just anything that you like to comment. That's your kind words. Did you like this video? Would you like to see more of these in the future? Because I think it would be fun to like do that, like try to make more videos where like I'm trying some food and like having a reaction to it. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and bye.